Hello Internet, I'm Scott, and this is a PLUGHITZ Live how-to. Today we're going to take a look at how to set up a Monster IlluminEssence LED strip. There are two types of strips that are available. There are the shorter ones that come in the kits, either as two of these or one of these with an LED bulb. Then there's also the long one. The long one comes by itself. The difference between the two is the long one plugs in directly to the wall, and the shorter ones plug into a USB port. That can be a wall wart, like a regular cell phone charger. You could plug it into your computer. Maybe you've got a surge protector that's got USB built in, a smart home switch, something like that. All of them will work. Other than that, the process is exactly the same. So the first thing, obviously, that we want to do is we want to get our remote control set up. So you take the back off. It takes two AAA batteries. So we will take the two AAAs, flat side to the springs, alternate directions, and you're done. That's all it takes to get the remote control up and running. Remotes are pretty easy. Now, there's a little bit of detail that goes into the strips themselves. You want to find the front of the strip, which is the side with the actual LEDs. The back will have the 3M tape on it. So LEDs forward. You want to find the front of the power cable. The front of the power cable has the Monster logo on it. And all you're going to do is you're going to take the 4 pins and the 4 holes and plug them in. That's all there is to plugging these in. Now, the next step, of course, is to apply power. In our case, we're going to use a wall wart. And all we do is we plug our USB in, and you will see that the LEDs come on immediately. Now, that's done on purpose so that if you're using something like a smart home switch or you've got them plugged directly into the wall, when you flip the switch on, they will come on automatically. You don't have to go over and grab the remote every time. That's really nice if you're putting them, say, in a bedroom and you've got them on your wall switch. As soon as you turn the switch on, the lights will come on. And it doesn't matter whether it's the LED lights, the strips, the bulbs, they all work the same way. As soon as they have power, they turn on. Now, you can use the remote control to turn them off, to turn them back on, or to change colors. And that really is all there is to the initial configuration of it. The only other thing to consider is possibly cutting them to length. Now, obviously, once they're cut, they're cut. So if you shorten the strip, that's how long it will be forever, or as long as it can be forever. There's no going back. If you want to cut them, all you have to do is look on the strip itself and find these little copper bands here. You'll see there's 4 copper bands and then a line down the middle. If you cut down the middle of that line, everything will be fine. All of the LEDs on the power side of it will work. So if you've got a short area that you're trying to use these on, it's really easy to do. But again, once they're cut, they're cut. So do it with caution. That is all there is to setting up a Monster IlluminEssence LED strip. Now, it's important to note that we have heard that there have been a number of these shipped where the remote and the strip or the bulb are not paired out of the box. We have how-to videos on both of those as well, both pairing the remote to a strip, pairing the remote to a bulb. All of those are on our YouTube or on our website, plughitz.live/how-to. And until next time, ciao.